Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Dockside today, one of the Universal hotels. We just had a very nice day at Volcano Bay. Got some stories, we'll probably share them while we eat. We saw everything that could possibly happen under the sun today. But we're excited to be here at Dockside. I've never been here. She actually opened this hotel. She worked here, opened it up. And I can't wait to try some food. That's the main reason why we're here. So let's go inside and see what that lobby looks like. All right, we're stepping into the lobby. Stay safe. Oh, that's a very nice like Starbucks bar. There's the Sunset Lounge. That looks really cute. There's a Universal Studio store, and that is check-in. Right now, it's a high check-in moment. A lot of people checking in right now. But this is a very nice lobby. I was telling Julissa earlier, I was looking at pictures and a Tim Tracker video, that here, they're $88 for a standard room a night. Okay, and this is what the lobby looks like. You go to Disney and you stay at Pop Century, you're paying almost $200 a night depending on the time of year. And it does not look this clean or modern or as nice. When you walk in, it actually makes you feel like you're spending more money being here because it looks really nice. So that's just one thing I have about Disney hotels right now. All right, over here is Pier 8 Market. This is the quick service food area. It looks like it's one of those places that has several stations of different foods. So you could walk up and see which each station has to offer. I know there's like a sandwich area, pasta, some grab and goes. Did I already say pizza? I'm not sure. But it seems like there's a lot of stations in there, which means there's a lot of options. I also saw they have some gluten sensitive options as well. And right there, if you can find it, there it is. Right there, that is grab and go gelato, if you care about that. But look how fun this looks. It's super cute. Again, this is Pier 8 Market. We stopped over by the pool area, but we're not staying here, so we can't actually get into the pool area. But the pool looks like a good, decent size. That building you see behind the pool is actually Surfside. So this is Endless Summer, and Endless Summer has Surfside and Dockside. Dockside is the bigger resort with two pools. That's the second tower. We come all the way around. Very large hotel over here. But this pool area is very nice. It's really, really great for big families, families in general. I feel like this is a good place to be at. Is this all Tower 1? Or is that Tower 2? This is all Tower 1? Okay. Alright, I got our tour guide here.
No, I'm not. I'm not that at all.
Update, now we're heading towards Tower number 2. So that was just Tower number 1. This over here is the second pool, which is in between Tower 2. So if you're staying here, you have two pools to choose from, and both of them look like they're really good sizes. Again, very family friendly. In Tower 1, they have the gym. In Tower 2, they have the game room. So there's a whole arcade over here. We haven't gone inside of it. We're not staying here, so I don't really want to go into areas of, you know, where hotel guests are supposed to be. But it really looks like it's a fun game room. It's very bright. I'm gonna go ahead and stand by one of the windows so you guys can kind of see into the game room area. That's the arcade. And like I said, in Tower 1, they have the fitness center. So the towers each have something different about them. So this is what this second pool looks like. Look at all that space. It's a really good like sized pool. Oh, look at the little water features. That's so cute. Over there is the Wave Makers, which is the pool bar. I see a freestyle Coke machine over there, obviously drinks and some snacks. It's a really nice sized pool though. I feel like this is so family friendly. I love a good pool, guys. If I'm going to a resort, I want to make sure that there's a good pool where I can have a whole pool day, because it's real hot in Florida, we all know that. But this pool's awesome. So behind the pool area, there's this nice little walkway where you can go walking between the building and the pool if you enjoy walking. But that over there, that's the pool area with that bar. The bar actually looks very nice. But I want to show you guys the pool from this angle. This is really such a nice sized pool. I'm kind of blown away by it because some of the Disney pools are a bit smaller. when you go to some of the deluxe resorts, I feel like the pools get smaller when the hotels get more expensive at Disney. I don't know, just something I observed recently. But look at this, it looks like an ocean. I'm exaggerating, I'm dramatic, but it's nice. I also want to note that the pool has a zero entry entrance area. So it's zero entry, so like you're going into the beach. And I think there is a handicap assistance chair to get in as well. I thought I saw. Yes, there is one. I'm walking towards it right now. So there is a handicap assistance chair, which is great. So you have a zero entry. There are some steps on the other side of the pool, and there's the handicap assistance, which is fantastic. We are back at Pier 8 Market, and in the grab and go section, I'd mentioned that gluten-free selections. Here they are. That's the whole gluten-free area. And then the rest of this is just grab and go. And there's the gelato I was talking about. And this is the rest of the quick service restaurant. They got like a smoothie maker over there. I've never seen that before. But right now is a busy time for dinner. There's a lot of people over here. Got drinks over on this side. This first one is like fried chicken, chicken and waffles. They got some signature sauces. The next one is pizza. The one after that is burgers and wraps. That's from what I can see. And then I think after that, it's like dessert and pastry kind of thing. If you do the chicken and waffles, they make the waffles fresh. As you can tell, he's back there making the waffles in those waffle makers. They have a bunch of different sauces. There's like a tangy sauce, a sweeter sauce, and a more like spicier sauce. Those are all the sides. The sides, they have mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, corn on the cob, coleslaw. Yeah, that's what they got. But they make those waffles fresh for you right there. I love that. I'm so excited. So before we go into what we got, I just want everyone to know that if you are a Universal Annual Pass holder, you do not get an annual pass discount at this food court. Example, at Bayliner, which is over at Cabana Bay, you can use your annual pass to get an annual pass discount. Here, you can't, sadly. It's fine though, it's whatever. We still get food. Yep, there it is, no annual pass discount. All right, what did you get?
Pizza. Cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza.
I was too excited, so I started eating it.
Yeah. It's called the Big Cheese, right? The cheese pizza here?
$11.
Okay. $11. And just so you know, you can get a gluten-free crust. They have gluten-free options. I got the chicken and waffles. There's my 2 waffles, my chicken, my side of mac and cheese, and then I got some of the sweet sauce that they had.
You gonna open the mac and cheese?
Yeah, you can show them. Ooh. So, not the best chicken and waffles in the world, but it's what you'd expect from a hotel food court kind of thing. I thought they were pretty good. What? Why are you laughing?
It's funny because like they don't want to be perceived as a food court. They want to be perceived as like a high class market.
Okay, well it's a food court. They were good. It was chicken and it was waffles. They had fun sauces. The mac and cheese is pretty good. Nothing out of this. It needed breadcrumbs. That's what it really needed. If you want good, really good chicken and waffles, go to Chili's. I know some of you are like, Chili's for chicken and waffles. Yes. They use the honey chipotle crispers and they put them on waffles and they give you like a chipotle kind of style cream to put on them. It's so good. It's the best chicken and waffles I've ever had. It is so good. But yeah, I enjoyed my meal. Again, not the best chicken and waffles, but it was good. How was your meal?
I enjoyed my meal too. I said that I wasn't gonna eat it all, and then I ate everything practically. I was gonna get the smaller pizza, like the kids' pizza, but first half I'm out of kids, so I didn't want them to bother me and say things. But it also was smaller, and we didn't really eat that much today, so I was like, okay, let me just eat a bigger one. And I ended up eating most of it, or basically all of it. But this I got because I eat with my eyes sometimes, and I saw this and I was like, oh, it looks so good. I was hungry when I said that. So I don't know if I'm gonna eat this, but it's gonna be good if I do eat it.
It will be good. It's the best. That is the best chocolate bar you can get. Look at that. With more cookies now. Would you look at that? Oh my god. All right, Dockside, this was fun, but it's time for us to go. It's been a very long day, but very relaxing day from going to Volcano Bay and having a great dinner here at Dockside. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing is the best thing you can do for this channel. And with that, We'll see you next time.